Okay, and hello there. So I just finished this junk journal for my granddaughter, and she's 7. And what's special about this junk journal is that she's really into utilizing past artwork as an underpainting in her artwork lately. So what I did was I took some old artwork and I gessoed it with clear gesso, and I turned it into this junk journal. So it's kind of a junk art sketchbook, and I think she's really going to like it. She's 7. So it's my first time making a junk journal, and obviously I made it as an art sketchbook. And I used a taco shell box to make the book. And so you open it up, and there's a little note for her. It's a paper clip. So I folded the box down with the brown side showing, and glued down this past artwork that is already gessoed and ready for her to paint over. And there's a little note here that says, "To Afton from Grandma." So she'll have a little note from Grandma. And that's right when you open the book. I think she's going to have a real good time. And so then the book is got a binding back. I attached 3 signatures to that, and each signature had like 4. They're kind of thick. So anyway, here's the first page, and it's gessoed so she can do some artwork. And then the second page is gessoed past artwork with some texture, and it's got a little surprise in here that says "Happy Day." So that'll be fun for her. So she'll have this little junk thing. And this page is gessoed and ready for her to do her artwork on top of it. And this is a blank page, watercolor paper that she can just do a painting on. And then this page is already gessoed and ready for her to paint on top of it and use it as an underpainting. And then same thing here. This is gessoed. And then this is a little pocket with some past artwork. She can make a little bookmark or whatever. And then some ripped a page from a book, and I gessoed it so she can paint on that. But I think she's just going to have a good time finding the little junk in this. This is seriously a junk art sketchbook. So this is all gessoed too. And then I put this in the center. It's an old placemat, and it's a cow with a bird and its nest, and that's all gessoed so she can do her artwork on top of it. But I think she'll enjoy that. And then I made a pocket over here, and this is just a card that's been gessoed so she can paint on top of it. It's a little pocket. And then another just past scrap paper. And this is gessoed so she can paint on that. And this is a blank for her to paint on. And then gessoed, blank. And that's the end of the first signature. But this is gessoed so she can paint on it. And then this is just clipped down, making a little pocket with, again, another page out of a book that I just gessoed, stuck in there. She can take that out and paint on it. And she can paint over all of this. It's all been gessoed, so the artwork is ready to be under layer for her. And then the next page is a little pocket with a little bookmark that she can paint over. It's all been gessoed and it's ready for her to use as an underpainting. This is totally a junk art journal. She's going to love it. She loves taking past artwork and painting on top of it, and I've already gessoed all of this for her. So again, we got a blank watercolor page and just clipped this here with a cute little tab because I think she's going to enjoy all that. It's just a page out of a book that I've gessoed both sides so she can paint it. Then this is the center of the second signature. I think she'll enjoy it. All this is gessoed and she can paint over it. And then here's another little pocket with a little bookmark that she can paint over. It's all been gessoed, all ready for her to go. This one's got a little pocket with this little card in here, and all of this is ready to be painted on. It's been gessoed. And then we have another pocket with some more cards, which I think she's really going to enjoy. Both sides are gessoed and ready for her to paint, and all this has been gessoed. And then here's a blank page. It's got a little bit of something. And there's another page that's upside down and been gessoed. That's the end of the signature too. Now we're going into the last signature. It's kind of cool. It's the second half of this ballerina from the first page. And it's been gessoed and it's ready for her to paint. It's blank watercolor paper, past artwork that's been gessoed for her. Blank watercolor paper, past artwork that's been gessoed for her. Gessoed scrap paper, and then another one of those placemats rounding out the last signature of the book, the third signature, and it's got the little egg nest right there, and that's cute. And so I laid this out so she'll have the cow with the bird on its head, and I thought that'd be cute. And this is all gessoed and ready for her to paint over. And then again, I made another little pocket, and this is all ready for her to gesso. I think she'll enjoy it. And this is ready for her to paint. This is the other side, that little owl, and that's ready for her to paint on. So all of these are ready, been gessoed, and they're all ready for her to paint. And then another little pocket with some more bookmarks, some scrap paper that I just glued together and gessoed and stuck in this little tab for her. I think she's really going to enjoy pulling stuff in and out. You know, it's just a junk journal, right? How fun is that? And then here's the back page. And I think it came out pretty cute. It's got little scraps hanging out the sides and out the top. And it's, you know, it's got some body to it. So it's cute. I think it came out really cute. And I think she's really going to enjoy it. She's 7. And she's a really, really good artist. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.